as you can kind of see, we're working on this again. Surprise. But the good news and bad news is that we are pulling the motor out. Ooh, I don't know how to do this. So right now, we're draining all the fluids because it helps out so much better, like when you're doing it. Side note though, if you want help from your friends and you tell them 8 o'clock, it really means 9, so count for that. But yeah, so we're gonna just pretty much wait till they get here. Not actually wait, but like, you know, wait till the fluids drain, get some coffee, have some breakfast, you know, see how it goes. And we'll come right back at it. After you drain all the fluids and stuff like that, first steps you gotta do is you're gonna like take off all like the hoses and extra stuff. So we're gonna take off, little drip right there. I guess it was raining last night. So take off this upper coolant hose, take the carburetor back off again. So much fun. Take this, you know, the fuel lines off. Take the lower radiator hose off. We could probably just move this power steering pump completely off now. So that's cool. The grounding strap. Obviously the starter cable. From there, you know, all the grounding straps and whatnot. And then we gotta figure out how to get the transmission out separated. So that's gonna be fun. Finally, these motherfuckers got here. Richard, what were you saying about pulling out?
I thought we were gonna be pulling out the engine just like this.
Just like this? Richard, how many times have you pulled out?
Pulled out?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? What do you mean?
Engines, Richard, engines. This is a family show. I'm gonna have my coffee break. Put these two to work since they decided to show up. 0.5 will it make you guys look bigger or smaller?
I'm gonna hit 0.5 and see.
All right, you guys look the same.
It's all good. Yeah, you don't have him.
Oh.
Let's see if I still got it. He ain't got it no more. Nice
What are you doing?
Well, first of all, we gotta pull the motor. To pull the motor, you gotta take shit apart. We're gonna start with this fancy ass ground cable this boy done did over here.
Bruh, I can read English, dude.
Wow.
Make it sound like I don't know.
I almost know what I'm doing.
Did you get the right size?
Yeah, there.
Sick. Yeah. So we got some of the electrical pulled off. I think the plan is to take the radiator out so we don't damage it more than we already have. But it's pretty much...
My damn 3/8 ratchet. We in the fucking future. Check me out. Now we in the money.
What's your break?
And just drop. I'm about to drop the generator.
Did you?
There goes
What
the
the fuck?
It's all getting thrown away.
My
ground
It's there.
I don't work on Fords.
Why are you scratching my fresh paint like that, bruh?
All right, next.
Hey, people are trying to sleep here. I don't know, somebody.
Whose bright idea was to start at 8 a.m. on a Saturday?
Well, good thing we started at 9.
No, I mean, technically it's 8. Technically it's 8.
I'm gonna go fucking wrench. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you guys help me find the bolt I dropped?
I don't worry, I got it on camera.
I don't even know what you dropped or where.
It's right there. How do I zoom in more on your phone?
Just zoom.
I tried, but it won't let me.
That's as much as you can zoom in.
Then how come there's an option for 3?
You have to start it in 3 because it's 2 different cameras.
Yeah, smart ass.
That's stupid.
That's 3 is a zoom lens. Aren't you like a photographer or something? Or you're just a hipster?
Not with these stupid ass phones. This is retarded.
Just a hipster.
Here, Richard, you can do me a favor, and I don't know if you can handle this, but if you can pull these spark plug wires off from the spark plugs.
Is it just?
You just pull them. Ah.
Dude.
Oh, maybe not.
I'm just too fragile. I'm just too fragile lately. You know?
It's just a girl.
No, don't. No, what are you doing?
What?
What?
You gotta put a hose clamp on there first so that the what the heck is that called?
Saturate the ground. Okay.
I'm not trying to waste all my gas.
And whose fault is that? Yours.
Don't worry, I'll get the hose clamp. Oh, I lied. I took them out. I said, I don't need these. That's fine. Just put them
I just
somewhere.
have you put your finger on it.
You know what you could also do?
Give you something to do besides talking shit.
Oh, no. That's just going to spin.
Who set this up?
I did.
That's why. Okay.
You know what an easier way to do is if you... No.
Just undid this hose clamp right here?
Yeah.
Ass backwards, that's Dante and the visions.
That makes the most sense, is just to take the hose clamp off. What the hell did you do? Now it's hard to get to.
I'll fix it.
I can fix that.
I'll fix that. Wow. Ready?
Yeah.
Precision.
All right, thanks. Are you done, Richard? Dang, that was crazy. All right, there's a, what's this shit called? Grounding cable back here. Here, if you look through the camera, you can see where I'm zooming in on right there. Yeah, if you can take that off.
You mean this, right?
The worst tools for the easiest jobs.
Why are you doing that?
Because you ain't got no screwdrivers in your toolbox.
Yeah, I do.
Where?
That big ass red one.
Okay.
Even I saw that.
Let's let the people decide.
It fits.
Where?
It fits. Just gotta jab it in.
Wow.
Damn, look how much easier that is. That's crazy. It's almost like I said to use that one. Compared to that
This
one.
is why I don't work on Dante's shit or Ford's. None of it makes sense. Somebody give me a Chevy.
Hey, that's good host. Don't fuck with it.
You want to do it?
No, I'm okay. Oh, it's barbed, so it's gonna be like. And you know what you could
DS
do?
Customs now offering new position. If anybody would like to replace Big, I'll pay you.
What you could do is find a bolt somewhere and just stick it in the hose, and then put the hose clamp on it so you don't spill any of my gas. Or you could drink it too. That's cool.
Need something to wake me up.
Oh, you want some coffee?
Yeah, please and thank you.
All right, I'll be back.
We'll be right back after these messages.
DS Customs, we got the full service, right? We make your lattes. Sponsor us, Genentech. We got your fucking hydration station right there. Yeah, dude, Genentech. We got everything. See, we even got motherfuckers working on your shit and they don't know what they're doing. It's pretty legit.
That's me. That's not right.
Also, pro tip when you're pulling an engine, take the hood off, but mark it.
DS Customs. What the fuck?
Is that not recording this whole time?
Thank God.
Oh, you ain't getting a second tape.
Jesus.
You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, that's fair. Anyway, this motherfucker said get a Sharpie. I ain't gonna Sharpie up all this fresh paint down in here. That's crazy. So, get yourself a pencil so you can erase it. And kind of just like, you know.
Why don't you just use chalk then?
Because I don't have chalk, Richard.
I have a Sharpie.
Well, I know that.
I
So,
got...
you don't have to mark the whole thing, but like, at least a good section of it so you can know where
We
it
got a
lines up.
carbonator. All right, where's the garbage can at?
What the hell? What the hell? I don't know. On the ground somewhere? Hey, you know, I read back in the day to get rid of stuff.
For 2 likes, I'll throw it at Dante.
Only 2?
2 likes, dude. Why
Just
set
2.
lows? Why
Just
set
2
low
likes, and I
standards?
will throw it at Dante on film.
That's fucked up.
People know what to do.
Dude, it's a pre me to use this.
Yeah.
What the fuck, man? How many?
Shh, we're watching site work. Be careful. You get scared sometimes.
Dante, this is a terrible idea.
It was your idea.
I'm making new threads.
Why are you doing this?
I mean, you're dumping it anyways. What's the difference?
Well, just put that all the way down and then just tighten the other ones. You have to tighten them both against each other for it to like work.
Another 3/8 inch.
Nope. Nice. All right, so we found out we want to like take off the exhaust manifold, but there's like these weird like lock washers on it or some shit like that. So we have to like break them off to get that out because
3/8 or 2. Oh, sorry, 7/16.
because I really don't want to be cutting some shit. I mean, I guess like we could take it off from right here. Actually, we might do that. Just take that collector off from there. I didn't check the other side. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, from down there too. Oh god. Sorry, I got your phone dirty. Down there. We'll see if we can take it off from the bottoms actually. That might be easier. We'll see.
All right. So the fuck are you doing?
So we're trying to take it off from back here. It's a 5/8. So let's see if we can actually get it seated on. There we go. And I really hope.
I thought it was a rubber bushing earlier.
Was it?
It felt like it because I was trying to get it out, or I was trying to loosen it earlier.
So the issue that I feel like I'm coming upon is that the ratchet is hitting the actual exhaust pipes. It's like I need like a wrench maybe, but if that doesn't do it, here, let me try going underneath.
Mm-hmm. You there yet?
Hello.
Yo.
Let's try this one. Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
Oh, we did.
So that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be actually.
Well, yeah, because you're in the bottom, dude.
Well, I'm saying like the bottom one has more clearance than the top one does, which is really interesting. But it is a 5/8. Oops. And that's one. All right, cool. Well, that wasn't too bad.
I thought you were trying to get both.
No, because I can't get this one from.
Oh, yeah, you wouldn't be able to reach it.
Yeah. But if I twist it like that. This is the stupidest way to use a fucking ratchet, but it's kind of working.
I've done it before. You can make it work.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oops. Well, I wonder if I could just use a wrench right. I think somebody else put this on because down there it had one washer like this. But then this one has like 2 flat washers.
Okay, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. Because
Yeah.
when I was trying to take that shit off,
Yeah.
it felt very thick.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use a wrench. There's so much dirt.
I know. Thank God I'm blind.
It like all went in my ear. Alright, I think we're good on this side. Huh? Jesus, words.
I don't like being on camera.
Well, if you can't tell, it's fucking raining now. Well, a light drizzle. So, That's cool. Luckily, we have this huge like umbrella type contraption to keep us from the rain.
What umbrella? It's a fucking hood. The best.
It works. It keeps me dry. Yeah, so...
Just because we're technically in the hood doesn't mean you just have to use a hood as an umbrella.
Yes, I do. Anyway, so we have the lift plate on. Oh, yeah, that's heavy, Richard.
I know.
So we're going to get ready to pull this out. We took the inspection plate
Oh, God.
off the transmission. So now we... Let me see what we got up the top. Right up in there. So now we can get to the torque converter and separate it from the flex plate. So then we can like pull the motor out, which would be freaking sweet. Making some decent progress here. I'm excited. You know, when we pull this out, and I think might want to pull the transmission out later today too, but this is definitely the priority as of right now. Quick lunch break. Waiting out the rain.